Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mailchimp email marketing. Mailchimp email marketing offers email marketing services primarily for businesses and individuals looking to connect with their audience, build their brand, and promote products or services. Key features include email campaign creation, automation, audience segmentation, and analytics. Their website provides details on various pricing plans, ranging from free options for beginners to premium plans for larger businesses. Mailchimp emphasizes ease of use and offers various templates and tools to simplify email marketing. They boast a user-friendly interface and provide resources like tutorials and knowledge bases. While they don't explicitly advertise no contracts, their subscription-based model allows for flexibility. Compared to some competitors, Mailchimp is known for its comprehensive feature set, especially for beginners. Availability is global, and you can sign up directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mailchimp email marketing. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The sign-up process was straightforward, and the initial onboarding guided me through the essential steps of setting up my audience and creating my first campaign. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The drag-and-drop email builder made designing visually appealing emails a breeze, even without any coding experience. I especially appreciated the pre-designed templates, which saved me a lot of time. I used Mailchimp to send out a newsletter to about 500 subscribers. The performance was solid. The emails were delivered quickly, and I could track open and click-through rates in real time. The analytics dashboard provided valuable insights into audience engagement. The standout feature for me was definitely the automation workflows. I set up a welcome email series for new subscribers, which helped me nurture leads and build relationships automatically. I had a quick question about setting up A/B testing, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing campaigns on the go, although the website is mobile-friendly. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced segmentation options, which are quite powerful but can be a bit overwhelming initially. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mailchimp. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a user-friendly platform for managing my email marketing efforts. That's my overview of Mailchimp email marketing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.